Hello everyone, welcome back. My name's Scott. Today we are showing you this motor-driven cordless glue gun. Let's go ahead and unbox it and show you everything you get. Okay, this is actually pretty cool. I love this little charging base that it comes with. And looks like you would line it up like this and automatically charge it. That is really cool. That is definitely really cool. You can also charge it with the Type-C cable as well if you wanted to. Yeah, I'm definitely digging this. Power button is on the top. So let's see if we press and hold. Nothing's lighting up. Maybe don't press and hold. No, it could be dead. Let's go ahead and charge it. Okay, so you turn it on and then the back blinks red. Once it's done blinking red, it will turn green. And once it's green, let's go ahead and see here. You do have some lights on the front. So it's motor driven. So we are just holding the trigger here and it's feeding it through. So we're just gonna let it heat up a little bit. Oh my word. I love that. And when you stop, so it does come out a little bit, but I love this. I love how simple this is. So when you're done, you just simply, wipe it off the top. What's nice is when it's on its little bay, it's angled out of side. Now it does look like it still comes out a little bit. So you just got to keep that in mind. Just wipe it off. But look at this. Wow, this works phenomenal. When you're done, press and hold the top power button. The light will go off and it's off. Just remember to wipe the top so it doesn't drip anywhere. Very nice. This is definitely going to be our go-to one now.